Yes, on.
You know what they do? This your boy Black the motherfucking Mac. And I'm motherfucking home. I'm in Dade County right now. And I'm in Wynn. And I just want y'all to know, I came home to make the motherfucking noise. Hey, 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 we gon' make that noise. 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 I'm the black, talk about the shack. These niggas talking trash, but they cannot fuck with that. No cheat, niggas straight about the crib. I swear to God, nigga, this is where I'm supposed to live. I go to St. Pete just to take my chips. These niggas talking all that bullshit, can I fuck with him? Check the black boy, bitch, I'm back in day. And in a couple more weeks, I be back in pay. With the work, you know I'm riding. Y'all niggas talking all that shit, they start a ride. Straight for black, I shut you down. That's the main reason why I'm in the town. Hey, and we gon' make that noise. Hey, and we gon' make that noise. Hey, and we gon' make that noise. I'm a no forever, never fake. And now it's ready to go, nigga, I was straight to play. I got the work, and it's on the ground. These niggas talking trash, bitch, I shut them all down. I'll be LAC. From the MIA, and I swear to God ain't no place like that. These niggas mad as fuck, and I don't give a damn. I swear to God, nigga, I'm the man. When I'm home, bitch ass, when I'm home, nigga, and I want my throne, nigga, yeah, when I'm home, nigga. And I need my throne.